Hi guys, welcome back. Still mixing. This is kind of thin, don't you think? This isn't like a trialable consistency. This is something you can use to spread if you're resurfacing. Let's make it thicker. You know, the more you work with this stuff, the more comfortable you'll get. Now I got it at the consistency I want it to be. I just added some more powder. Works great. Well, it's filled in for the most part. I can do better. This shouldn't be the finished product. Smooth this out with my finger. No, that's not really gonna work. I'll come up with something. Trust me. It'll look a lot better, I hope. Okay, I'm gonna take care of all of this. All of it. Believe me. Okay, guys. This looks a lot better. Might have used too much, but again, I'm not really a concrete expert. Learning as I go. Bear with me. You know what I ended up doing? I took a sponge, dipped it in a bucket of water, wrung it out, and then used it to smooth out the concrete. It works. Works great. I'm on to something here. That might be my secret weapon moving forward. Oh yeah, let me show you the difference. Just hold on for a second. Okay, this is my cheap version of a flashback. Remember the cracks? Now look, completely different. 9-day, right? Use the sponge. It helps. I wasn't making this stuff up, folks. Works wonders. My new secret weapon. Sure, it's an old trick. It's new to me, though. Moving forward, that's what I'll be doing. Okay, it's drying, but I think it'll take maybe a whole day for it to dry completely. Even still, I think I'm going to move forward with the rest of the resurface job. Start up there by the step and work my way down. Guys, I bought this bucket about a year ago. I knew this day would come. I need to use the correct amount of water to mix with concrete, and this helps, really does. You don't want to use too much or too little. There's my concrete or Sacrete concrete resurfacer. Here's my bucket, water, my other buckets. I'm ready, guys. And you know, if I'm mixing concrete and water, there's only one tool I'll bring out forward, and that's my rigid. Oh yeah, attached is the mixing paddle. I think I got this from Home Depot. Yeah, I think it's from Home Depot. Anyway, you know the buckets are from Menards. Nothing's gonna stop me. So I mixed it to a pourable consistency, almost like syrup, something like that. Have to let it sit for about a minute, just following the directions. Listen to my reaction after I start pouring the concrete. Look, it dried so hard, so fast. It's well beyond my skill set. I could not believe it. Talk about rapid drying. This stuff takes the cake. Unbelievable. And it dried so fast, just didn't set well. Look at this. My God. I lost a bunch of buckets in the process. 4 of them. Ripped to those buckets. R.I.P. Definitely. Just didn't have the time to get the concrete out. Impossible. Jesus. No matter what, you don't give up. So I'm at the store again, picking up some more buckets. Plan B. Moving forward, I'll just mix a little at a time. I should be able to salvage some buckets that way. Man, I could have used those other buckets to lift weights. You know what I mean? Okay, let's give it a second chance. So I finished the last couple steps. All right. This isn't good. Still have that crack. Man, that stuff is ridiculous. Lost a bucket in the process. Of course I did. I don't think it's anything I'm doing wrong. It's just that it sets so fast. And it's hot out here. Maybe that plays a part in it too. Yeah, maybe the weather played a part in it. I'll come up with any excuse I can right now. So what I'll do is come back up. At least the tape worked. I guess there's something good that came from out of this. So I'll come back up, put another coat on, work my way down, figure this out. I can do it. Just need to work a little faster. Let's put some more water down. Okay. I don't think it's my technique. Maximum effort. All right. Let's put some more water down. Get it nice and misty. Okay. Like I said, I'm working hard. I want to try to get better. Well, I used more than I needed, and it doesn't look any better. Sets too fast, guys. Got to figure out what to do with that. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.